Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
These are all called sections, and we all have default settings on our sections. And that would be something like videos. The second you add a short to your videos, then that will have a section. If you have a playlist, any kind of playlist, that will show. So there's the regular ones that come out for you are shorts. I did not create this section. It comes as a YouTube feature. And then videos, and all your videos are going to be here in date order, the most recent there. And playlists, why did I lose my playlist? And then the playlists. And now you get to share additional sections, up to 12. So what I do is this is my opportunity to share with people. The very first thing I like to share is how to get people to navigate my channel. So what I did is I created my very first one here for this group is how to get YouTube training. And I will have my orientation videos, and I'll go into the same order that we're going through in this group is how to optimize your channel, optimize your videos, how to monetize your channel. And they'll all be here and they'll be sequential so people can actually see those videos. What would you want to show your people when they sign up? You may not have a product, you may not have a training, but you'll want them to know what to do. Because what you want to remember is that people who are searching YouTube, they're very quick. They just go fast until they find what they love, and then they binge watch. So you might want to say, while you're here, this is what you need to do. If you're new here, start here. And then you want to make a video that says, while you're here, I just want you to know this row or this playlist or this video, this is what you need to look at first before you go anywhere else. And then you could keep showing them where to go, or you can just let them go where they want to go after that. That's up to you, how much you have out there. And it's really a good practice to get people to, if you steer them, that's what I call it. You're just going to steer them where they would need to go first so they keep unfolding your information. Okay. Most of us will know the word binge watching. Wouldn't you like to be binge watched? So if you say, I have a series, a free series for you to go look at right now, and this is 10 steps to, or 10 different videos that'll show you this, put that there, because that's the thing that'll cause you to get more views, more watch time hours, which when you become a YouTube partner will actually give you more money. You'll earn some money.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.